Top 10 altcoins to invest in September 2021. Since the inception of Bitcoin just over a decade ago, the blockchain sector has spawned hundreds of other projects, each attempting to launch a new coin into the spotlight. Many people were successful in the long run. Throughout April, Ether, the second most valuable coin after Bitcoin, continued to record new all-time highs, demonstrating not only the coin's potential as a store of value but also Ethereum's potential as a blockchain network. Several initiatives, such as Cardano, EOS, and, most recently, the hot and popular Polkadot, tried to replicate the behemoth that Vitalik Buterin and his team developed. To varying degrees of success, each initiative attempts to build off the limits of the other. The majority of what has been shown to users has been hype, since only time will reveal the genuine viability of these projects. And that brings us to the realization that the rise of altcoins is commendable. Towards the first quarter of 2021, a rise in success of altcoins led Bitcoin's market dominance to come down. Altcoins leading the way. According to CoinMarketCap, there are over 11,000 different types of cryptocurrencies in the market right now. Altcoins cover a wide range of crypto sectors. There are tokens like Ether, which are built on blockchain technology and are used by the vast majority of DeFi applications, as well as stablecoins like Tether, which are tethered to fiat currencies. The advent of so many cryptocurrencies indicates a crowded market for blockchain technology. Amplify ETFs see this potential and invest in the top players at the blockchain's most fundamental level. Altcoins are heading to new highs, overtaking Bitcoin, while Cardano is set to launch smart contracts this fall. An analysis of GlobalData's Disruptor Intelligence Center said the boost of altcoins has piqued the attention of public corporations, and it is witnessing a high level of daily transactions and activity. Some examples for those are: Applied Blockchain Incorporated securing a $16.5 million funding to scale a large Ethereum/altcoin mining operation through strategic partnerships. Binance's acquisition of CoinMarketCap for $400 million in 2020. Other Binance acquisitions include BXB, DApp Review, and WageRx. Goldman Sachs backs Circle's acquisition of U.S. crypto exchange Poloniex for roughly $400 million in 2018. So if you are considering putting money into the crypto space, then this is probably the best time to do so, as the crypto market is coming back from a great correction that took place 2 months back. Top 10 altcoins for September 2021. Altcoins are all cryptocurrencies that aren't Bitcoin. With the crypto market recently collapsing and Bitcoin prices experiencing severe volatility, investors are shifting their assets from Bitcoin to comparatively cheaper altcoins that have significant growth potential and are paving the way for the next crypto revolution, according to GlobalData, a leading data and analytics firm. This Cryptonomics article will help you with the leading altcoins for September 2021. Take them seriously if you are thinking of investing this month. They have the most growth potential. Note: altcoins are not given in any particular order, and the price and market cap of all the tokens are as per the research done for the article. Cardano, ADA. The token is trading at $2.81 with a global market cap of $89 billion. Cardano's price has already risen by more than 100% in August, but September will be a crucial month for the coin that aims to use blockchain to solve real-world problems. Cardano will finally launch its Alonzo upgrade with smart contract capability on September 12. Moreover, Cardano will also hold a series of virtual and live activities at the Cardano Summit on September 25 to 26. Cardano has its detractors, and early speculation on the September launch may mean we won't see any more huge rises in the immediate term. However, in the long run, it remains one of the most stable and fascinating crypto projects. Its research-based approach may be slow, but it should yield a stable and long-term platform. And it has already completed several projects in Africa. Cardano blockchain has just crossed other top altcoins to become the third largest cryptocurrency worldwide, as network developers aim to capitalize on the surge in decentralized finance that has swept the world. ADA investors are driving the value of Cardano upward in anticipation of the planned Alonzo upgrade, which is set to be published on September 12. Due to its relatively low price and good promotion as one of the prospective Ethereum killers, ADA is one of the most sought-after cryptocurrencies for beginner traders. Cardano is one of the most popular cryptocurrencies in the crypto industry, and ADA is one of the most sought-after cryptocurrencies for beginner traders due to its relatively low price and greater potential future. Solana, SOL. The token is trading at $189.54, with a global market cap of $56 billion. Everyone has been shocked by Solana's meteoric growth in the market. Solana was priced between $33 to $139.50 in early August, but by September 3 it had risen to $139.50. During the month, the token has increased by around 450%. Solana has surpassed Dogecoin to become the seventh largest cryptocurrency in terms of the market valuation, after a 70% increase in the last week. According to analysts, the substantial inflows from institutional investors, as well as the company's quick growth, are responsible for the growth. Solana was introduced in April 2020 and has gained over 18,000% in just 18 months. After Ethereum, it's one of the most promising blockchain ecosystems, according to Ajil Patel, Mudrex's CEO and co-founder. Because of its widespread acceptance, Solana has seen a big rally. It's a powerful Layer 1 blockchain that outperforms many of its competitors in terms of technological improvements. The cryptocurrency is rapidly gaining popularity as a result of its lightning-fast transactions at low costs. Solana costs around $0.00025 per transaction, whereas Ethereum and Bitcoin each cost more than $7.8. In addition, its development team is taking aggressive steps to improve the ecosystem. According to the analysts, it is backed by several powerful investors who are pushing its massive research and development programs. Polygon Matic. The crypto holds a trading price of $1.60, with a global market cap of $10 billion. Over the last year, the coin has increased by over 10,000%, and by over 125% in just 1 month. The significant growth of Polygon can be attributed to several factors: Matic, Polygon's growing buzz, Google BigQuery's announcement, and Mark Cuban's investment are all responsible. The exponential expansion of Polygon is due in part to the rise in popularity of the Ethereum network and the adoption of its blockchain. Polygon's sidechain architecture enables faster and cheaper transactions, resulting in a much-anticipated price and public perception spike. Matic revealed its ambitions to rename Polygon on February 9, 2021, in an attempt to gain global recognition. Polygon improved the system at the time by integrating the Matic Plasma chain and bringing in promising metaverse projects. This allowed them to create a Layer 1 blockchain network with built-in scaling solutions for NFT, DeFi, and other applications. Polygon's amazingly low fees are gaining traction amid increased congestion on the Ethereum network and escalating charges. This will help the network to onboard more projects. Polygon's growing popularity appears to be boosting investor confidence in the cryptocurrency sector. Polygon's domination on all social media platforms has increased by 636% in the last 3 months, according to Lunar Crush. This indicates that investors are more interested in the currency than they have ever been. Kusama, KSM. The token is trading at $383.61, with a global market cap of $3 billion. Polkadot's crazy cousin, she calls herself. Kusama is a proof-of-concept blockchain platform that aims to provide developers with a massively interoperable and scalable framework. Kusama is based on Parity Technologies' Substrate, a blockchain development kit. Kusama shares almost all of its code with Polkadot, one of the most popular interoperable blockchains. Fast-paced applications can benefit from Kusama's highly scalable, interoperable sharded network, which includes features not accessible on Polkadot. Kusama refers to itself as a canary network in this regard. Kusama has several projects coming up. OneChain, a blockchain interoperability solution, has worked with Moonbeam to deploy its non-custodial cross-chain architecture on Moonriver as part of Polkadot's Kusama Canary Network's decentralized finance, DeFi, ecosystem. Both OneChain and Moonbeam are ready to establish a multi-chain structure for the blockchain sector. According to an official press release, with Kusama-based Moonriver becoming a recipient of the service. The Kusama community agreed 2 months back to upgrade the statement paration's runtime. After the network implemented this upgrade, anyone with a 1 KSM deposit for each asset type would be allowed to produce assets and NFTs on StateMine. Therefore, Look out for this token this month for having profitable returns. Polkadot, DOT. The token is trading at $33.36, with a market cap of $32 billion. Polkadot, a multi-chain protocol focused on facilitating the creation of cross-chain bridges between separate blockchain networks, is one of the top 3 month-end protocols that have been gaining traction but whose native coin, DOT, has yet to experience a significant price breakout to new highs like some of its competitors. The price of DOT increased 205% to an intraday high of $31.70, according to data from TradingView, after bottoming out at $10.36 on July 20. The future Parisian auctions, in which projects compete for community votes to get one of the restricted spaces available to debut on the network, are one of the greatest generators of momentum for the Polkadot ecosystem. Kusama, Polkadot's wild cousin, has begun holding auctions, with the first batch selected at the end of July and the second batch set to begin on September 1. Users vote for projects by locking up DOT tokens for a specified term as part of the Parisian crowd loan process as a way to bootstrap funds for companies that are chosen to fill one of the limited slots. This has the effect of decreasing the circulating supply of tokens available, adding pressure on the price of DOT. Therefore, look closely. Avalanche, AVAX. The price of the token stands at $42.97, with a market cap of $9 billion. Avalanche, AVAX, is a relatively new Layer 1 solution that has lately witnessed a large price and acceptance increase as Ethereum, the main smart contract platform, continues to suffer from high transaction prices and longer processing times when compared to its competitors. According to data from TradingView, Avax rose 205% from a low of $12.24 on August 3 to a multi-week high of $37.42 on August 20, with a 24-hour trading volume of more over $1.4 billion. The announcement of Avalanche Rush on August 18, a $180 million liquidity mining incentive program launched in collaboration with Aave and Curve and designed to introduce more applications and assets to its growing DeFi ecosystem, was one of the most significant developments for the Avalanche protocol. Phase 1 of the Rush initiative will start soon, allowing Avax to be used as liquidity mining incentives for Aave and Curve users for a 3-month period. The Avalanche Foundation has set aside $27 million in Avax to fund the incentive program, with more allocations anticipated for Phase 2. The goal of the initiative was to show the Avalanche Foundation's commitment to scaling DeFi on the network and assisting in the creation of a more accessible, decentralized, and cost-effective ecosystem. Phantom, FTM. The coin is trading at $1.61 and holds a market cap of $4 billion. Throughout the entire year of 2021, up-and-coming blockchain Phantom has grown at a rate that far exceeds all expectations. In the cryptocurrency world, the network is becoming more well-known for its near-zero transaction fees and near-instantaneous transactions. The growth that this new platform is experiencing shows no indications of slowing down, thanks to Phantom's newest upgrade, which was implemented at the end of April. To give you an idea of how big the platform is right now, the blockchain already hosts over 200,000 daily transactions and has over 77,000 Phantom wallets on it. On April 29, Phantom's new Go Opera update was completed successfully, further improving the network's already excellent performance speed. The time to completion has been reduced, and no transaction now takes more than a second to complete. On Phantom, transactions are completed in the blink of an eye. This is a game-changing speed that has long been demanded in the crypto world, as previous blockchain speeds and network oversaturation have frustrated users. Phantom also increased its decentralization by allowing new nodes to join the network more simply and with faster peer-to-peer synchronization. Previous events will not be processed by new nodes. Today's event emission is even more efficient, which is good for when the network experiences delays in propagation between nodes, allowing the user experience to remain relatively unaffected. Chainlink, LINK. The price of the token stands at $32.86, with a market cap of $14 billion. The coin has shown some serious growth, and one of the reasons why Link has shown so much growth is that smart contracts are made even smarter with Chainlink. It also includes data from the real world. It enables farmers, for example, to hedge against a bad season. If values in the contract, such as share price, temperature, or rainfall, do not reach a specified threshold, the smart contracts filtered through Chainlink pay out insurance claims. When the application receives the necessary meteorological data, instant payments are made. The potential of Chainlink appears to be boundless, and many of the top DeFi apps demand exorbitant amounts for the Link token to use their network. The best thing about Chainlink is that it can be used outside the crypto world. On Google Cloud, Alphabet, Nasdaq, Google, is now using Chainlink to construct hybrid blockchain applications. Investors can trust Chainlink due to its restricted supply, excellent utility, solid potential, and widespread adoption among the DeFi community. It has the potential of becoming the foundation of consumer transactions in the future. And, because Ethereum cannot currently handle smart contracts in the real world, Chainlink would likely play a key part in causing Ethereum's price to rise by connecting such transactions to real-world data for settlement. If there's one cryptocurrency to buy on the dip, it'd be Chainlink. Filecoin, FAL. The token is trading at $100.75, with a market cap of $10 billion. The token has shown some good growth in March. Typically, 3 indicators are used to assess a blockchain protocol's growth rate: development activity, mining activity, and transaction volume. Because a blockchain is a computational network and digital ledger at its foundation, developer engagement is critical for its long-term growth and general investor confidence. The mining activity of a blockchain network reflects the miner's trust in the protocol as well as the processing power behind it. Filecoin has seen solid growth across all the 3 above-mentioned areas. Due to the high costs of Ethereum and the growing interest in Layer 2 technologies, the demand for scalable blockchains with bigger capacities has increased. Investors appear to be aware of this application. Grayscale's decision to add Phil to the Grayscale roster was likely influenced by Filecoin's rapid acceptance and expanding market capitalization. In the short term, Filecoin's key concern is whether it will be able to compete with the dominant Layer 1 blockchains in terms of onboarding decentralized applications and decentralized financial initiatives as it seeks to increase interoperability and scalability. Nevertheless, the token has good potential, and therefore, should not miss your attention this month. Arweave, R. The token is currently trading at $53.20, with a market cap of $1 billion. Arweave is a decentralized data storage solution that aims to keep all data accessible and available perpetually. This network serves as the foundation for the permaweb, a decentralized web that hosts a variety of community-driven applications and services. The R coin is used to compensate miners who share and save all of that data, as well as to pay for fresh data storage. R token and blockchain have solutions that will solve various problems with the crypto space. Due to encryption and peer-to-peer validation requirements, traditional blockchain networks, such as Bitcoin, often have very small block sizes, with averages of 1 megabyte. Even if the network is upgraded to support smart contract capability, assets like non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, will be unable to be stored on it. Arweave came up with a solution to this challenge by weaving each block with others in the network. This allows data to be stored indefinitely on its peer-to-peer network. Furthermore, smart contracts from other blockchains may be able to execute on the assets recorded in its database. Conclusion: Bitcoin can be your introduction to the crypto business. But there's a lot more going on behind the surface. Many altcoins may reach mainstream status this year. You can guarantee that as more people learn about altcoins through their real-world applications, their adoption will climb in tandem with the value of their currencies and tokens. The cryptocurrency market is well known for its unpredictability and volatility. Analysts believe Bitcoin's price will continue to rise. But it's just another incentive to do your homework before buying and keeping an eye on the big picture.